Kakalos Boker or Mishna Yomi Masechet. This is Mishna Yomi Masechet Sanhedrin, Perek Yud Aleph, chapter 11. This is the last Mishnah, which is Mishnah Vav. And then we have to do Masechet Makot, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Aleph. So Mishnah Vav says, Hamitnabe b'shem avodah zarah. Somebody is going to say a prophecy in the name of avodah zarah. Ve'omer, kach amra avodah zarah. And that's what he says. He says, this is what the avodah zarah says. Afilu kivenet halacha. Even if he came and he said the halacha correctly, letameh tatameh ve'letaor taor. That means he didn't do a mistake in the psak. In the psak, he did it right. But he said this is in the name of the avodah zarah. That in itself is going to be punishable by death, obviously. Okay, now the next one was Habala Shatish. Again, we're talking about chenek. So these are the people of chenek. Someone that comes and he has relations with a married woman. The second that she came into the husband's domain for nisuin, even though she didn't have relations with the husband. That's already chenek. Meaning, she already came into the possession of the husband, even though he never slept with her yet. But the fact that she's already in his possession, but so therefore he's going to be chayav chenek, and she's also going to be chayav chenek. Because beforehand they were going to be chayav what? Before going to the reshut of the Baal, she's considered Maurasa. Maurasa is sekila. This is where, by the way, Makot is going to start. So mebat kohen u'boala, we're talking about the zomim mebat kohen and the one that has relations with her, right? Shekol hazomimim maktimin lo tamita. All the zomimim are going to be maktimin lo tamita chutz v'zomim mebat kohen u'boala, except for the zomim mebat kohen u'boala. Now we understand what happens in the next Mishnah in Makot. Why? Because you just finished Sanhedrin, and we just said this is for Kinyam Masechta, right? Which means you just finished Sanhedrin, and at the end of the Sanhedrin it says Kol hazomim makdimin lo tamita chutz v'zomim mebat kohen u'boala she'em makdimin lo tamita lemita acheret, right? And then you're going to do other, right? Zomimim she'nosim ma'andina zamak kulikara. What is that? The Mishnah Aleph in Masechet Makot. So Keitzad hayedim na'asim zomim, right? This is Mishnah Aleph.
Is it always like that when it goes from Masechet to Masechet?
Many times, right? So Perek Aleph, Mishnah Aleph, and Masechet Makot. Keitzad hayedim na'asim zomim. How are the hayedim going to become zomimim? Right? So what does that mean? How do they become zomim? What does that mean? It's not that mamash you're doing dina zama, mamash like the same penalty, right? Why? Because we just explained it's not the same penalty, and that's why the Gemara is going to ask. It should have said en hayedim na'asim zomim, but rather, right? What are you doing? You're doing another type of. You're doing azama, but you're giving them malkut. So what is the case? If you're going to testify about the person that he's a grusha v'chalutza, what does that mean? That this is a kohen, but his mother was either a grusha or chalutza, meaning she was divorced or done chalitza in front of these witnesses. So they testify, we know, we were there. But Rashi says. So what happens? We're not going to say that these edim zomemim are going to be kamua ben grusha v'chalutza, but rather they're going to get lashes. Second case of the Mishnah, midimanu bishploni shehu chayav legalot, right? So they're going to come and testify about a person that he's chayav galut. We're not going to say that this person is going to go galut instead of it, but rather lokar ba'im.